In this video, we'll see how we can add video product in which video will be running on the background and product detail will be shown. Here you can see video are running, and when I click on product it will redirect it. We'll show how to do it. Let's go. Log into your admin dashboard of Shopify. Now we'll install app to add video video product where video will be running on the background and the product will be shown above it just like free. We'll see how we can add it in Shopify. So let's go. I will install Swiper Shoppable Video Reel. Here you can see it is free to install. There are some limitations. Above it you need to pay it. Okay, to install it. Now here continue with free plan. You can select your plan. First I need to create my feed. Test feed. Add reel. A reel will be added on which product? So this product. Now from here choose video. Either you upload video here. And see, you can download TikTok or download Instagram reel. Now after adding, you can select different type of view you want to display that video in, like Insta reel, storage, overlay widget. I will say Insta feed. It will redirect you to online front page wherever you want to place it. You can place it. I will add it here. App inline feed. Here you can say inline feed. Now I need to select the feed. Here I will save it. I will create multiple feed here. You can create multiple reel, product reel as per your requirement. Okay. You can see 4 products reel has been created. Now what I will do, I will display on online store. So I will guide you step by step how to do. Go on online store, click on customize. First thing you need to go to app image, enable this app. Here you need to enable it. Okay, then go to your location. Now select wherever you want to add the feed. I will add it here. Click on it, go to app. I will add inline feed. If you want to add story, you can also add it. I want to add inline feed. Here you can see. Now select the feed. My feed name is test. Save it here. Here you can see product feed has been created. I can play here all the flow. Now I'll save it. I will go to my front page and show you here autoplay all video. If you want to autoplay it, I will enable autoplay. All the video will be autoplay. Here you can see all the video are autoplay. Mute, unmute, stop button. These are some options. If you don't want to show, you can hide from it. Now we'll go on front page. I will refresh. Here you can see on my website I can see video product, but here currently background video is running, and I can click on product and product will open. Okay, very simple. There are shop. You can click on shop. You can scroll up and down. When you click on video, this will happen. When I click on product, it will directly redirect to product. Okay, you can see there are two view option. One is simple product and second you can add story. You can click on add block. Sorry, go here, click on add feed, go to app, here story feed. Story feed, you need to select test, save. Now here you can see story. Video will be story feed. You can create both views. So that's how you can create video product in your Shopify website for free. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.